Let's go. What's up guys, it's your boy Steven Abella. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before this video starts, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Sooner or later we are going to have a raffle. 2 winners of Mobile Legends Diamonds, 200 each. And sooner or later I'm going to post the mechanics on my Facebook profile. That's when I reach 600 subscribers, but right now we are 594 subscribers. What are you waiting for? Like, watch, share, and subscribe! And for today's video, we are going to talk about sneaker. Yes, sneakers that I ordered from NikeByYou PH. If you're going to question me if it's legit, yes, it's legit guys. And for today's video, we are going to talk about sneaker. Yes, sneakers that I ordered from NikeByYou PH. This pair, you can match it on any outfit that you like. You can call it a hypebeast style, casual, or streetwear style, or any outfit that you call, or whatsoever you call your outfit or outfit of the day. This sneaker retails for 4,795 on the white and color black colorway. And for my customized pair, retails for 5,795 pesos. If you want to customize your own pair, you can watch my previous video, which is this one, and you can check on my description down below. Without further ado, let's check it out. Bam! Here it is guys, the NikeByYou box. It has the Nike swoosh logo here, and I got a size 8. If you could watch my video on my previous video, this is the color that I designed. And now let's open it guys. Throw this one there, and bam! For more detail guys, this is the paper rolls from the box. It has the design of the Nike swoosh here, as you can see, and to just do it and then have a nice day. But on the original or the not customized pair doesn't have a design on this, which is just a plain white. But for the NikeByYou has a lot of design. And also guys, I have noticed that this paper roll has also a letter, which is also printed on the back of the box. This pair has an inspiration from Jordan 1 LA Union for the sneakerheads who've known that pair, and for the people who doesn't know about the Jordan 1 LA Union, this is the color. Then I created it on Air Force 1 low, as you can see this one. And for the materials that I chose for this pair is, on the toe is the black ripple leather, on the swoosh is also black ripple leather, and on the back tab is the university red color and white for the heel tab. For the outsole, I also use the university red. Now let's get a B-roll and on feet.
Bye.